that's out there is babies. Those two are wrestling, getting it. Spot got taken. Pushed him away.
I'll give him a peanut.
We used to hold them.
Oh, we didn't hold them. They crawled up our chest. 6 years ago we came here. We were the only people here. And she had them crawling all over her.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
They were hungry. Oh, maybe she's preggers. Oh, she is. She is a girl.
Patty, she's pregnant. Or
yeah.
just had babies.
They're probably down there. She's just trying to get some me time.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
They're
the
the babies.
Oh.
I almost feel like you have to open the nuts for these guys.
Did you see one down?
She already grabbed it.
Oh, you
Look at
will.
the babies. Get one, Brad. Grab one for me.
Grab one.
I want those. I want to hold it.
You're real fast.
Oh, look at me. Here, I peeled one for you, buddy. Oh, look, he's trying to share.
Uh-huh. But she lays down to eat.
They're curious about the camera.
closer.
You're good. You're fine.
That one's real good. Big mama. They're falling all over her.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
but we were just traveling the country. And we went, this place wasn't open. We just got some unsalted nuts. And they found out we had peanuts in the top. She never had seen one. She was just crawling all over her.
This is our first experience with prairie dogs too.
And walked out there.
Oh really?
That was nice.
Oh.
Found that out carrying my two kids.
Oh no.
Yeah, she's so big.
They're not as tame.
I'm gonna get this one digging over here, okay? Because they're not scared at all. No, where this one's digging, and the dirt is going right at the camera. Now he's looking right at the camera, like, what is that there? Very confused. That's new. Look at him. He's staring down the camera.
He's posing for it.
I don't know. He's trying to figure out how to get rid of it. Oh, he'll come. They're not too skittish. Have you seen these babies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought a full size was about the size of a groundhog, but they're little.
Uh-huh. And then gophers are about the size of babies.
Oh, really?
They're not much bigger than them. They look more like a squirrel.
Yeah.
Maybe got two behind you if you did the same strategy they are. That's that mama just wants to lay around. Look at, he's confused by that camera. You kick dirt at it. Yeah. We got some National Geographic footage there. Probably gonna come out here from home or Look at him running around. Yes. You don't think you can feed these guys directly? Oh, a whole bunch of babies come out of this hole here. That's what they're all around. You got some.
Are you allowed to pick them up?
Peeling for him?
That's how they're eating his. We peeled them.
Can't pick them up, Mama. Grab him by the tail.
No, don't.
Oh, that's what someone over there just said.
Will they like run away if I
No, you're fine.
There's 8 of them.
y'all look here and smile?
Charlotte.
I know you don't like this better than our hike, do you?
I do. I like this a lot better than our hike.
Hike? Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
Are they even interested in you?
I don't think so.
I don't know.
I don't think they've.
Yeah, that
We were here like 6 years ago, and the big ones, we were the only ones out here. And the big ones would crawl all over you and get the peanuts. And
Oh my goodness.
I think there's just because the holiday weekend, there's been so many people feeding them.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there's peanuts everywhere.
Yeah. Where before they would like chase each other off to get to you.
Well, it was after travel season. It was late September.
They were looking at me slow. They were looking at me slow.
maybe they'll like the grass. They've been eating the
No,
grass.
they just like coming out here.
I was eating.
Curious.
These are
They
the
like eating the dirt.
Yeah.
You just took a
Cares
bite out
about
of it.
you.
He doesn't care about the peanuts.
Oh my goodness, he just ate from her feet.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Now they're eating the peanuts.
It's so tempting not just to grab one, isn't it?
I know.
Oh, especially that little one that just crawled out.
Yeah, the runt.
I'm gonna pet it so bad.
Do they have teeth yet?
Yeah.
They do.
Eat your peanuts.
I'm gonna grab one and find out.
No, you.
There's a little baby over there with my other daughter, and I think the mom is like wanting to make sure that her baby's okay.
Yeah.
Has the mom come out over here?
It ran off over there.
Yeah, there's one that was huge over here that was big. Had the feeders on her. They're faster than you think.
I know.
It's the mom running off.
Oh, no? Not mom. I'd say mom's still feeding them. You'll crap if mom comes out of that hole.
I'm gonna go get a picture of Daddy.
One makes one little move, man, they all run.
Alright, you ready, babe?
Yeah. You don't want to pet one?
I want to hold one.
Well, let them all get out here, I'll grab one.
Really?
Mm-hmm. They're quicker than you think, though.
have teeth?
Yeah, he's got teeth. He didn't even make a noise.
Mm-mm.
The girl's like, I want to do that so bad. Come here, pet. Oh, you're so brave. Come here. Come here. You're okay. You're okay.
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see this little guy.
I don't want on video.
He wanted back out. He likes it. Hey. You're back in your hole.
Here, pick it up.
Oh, I picked a couple up. There's one that actually likes
This one
it.
likes it.
The little bitty runt, he don't mind. The older ones, they'll kind of turn on you. Come here, you're okay. You're gonna
So they
scream
said
and
that
your
they
mama's gonna be here.
They said that they don't eat peanuts because they're so nourishing.
Come here. The one likes it.
Which one?
The little bitty
He
runt.
just went back in the hole.
Now, did they go down? They went out that one, didn't they?
Yeah, they're trying.
We were here all alone. We had them crawling all over us.
That seems fun.
Huh?
I said that seems fun.
There was nobody here. The store was closed, everything. Did you didn't even have that on video. I risked my life and a bite, and you didn't even have it.
I like the grass one.
Ready?
Oh, he likes you.
Mm-hmm. Did you get that? Oh, barked at her. You're yelling, somebody smells like human.
He's trying to bite you.
He's thinking about it.
Oh, here comes mom.
Oh. I don't think that's mom. Ready? Ready?
Oh, he likes you.
Mhm. You get that? Sure. They're yelling, somebody smells like human.
Oh, he's trying to bite you.
He's thinking about it.
Oh, here comes mom.
Oh. I don't think that's mom. I think that's just the neighbor sitter. She heard one of them bark and she had to come see what's going on. Okay. You're gonna scream and your mama's gonna be here.
They said that they don't eat peanuts because they're so nourishing.
The one likes it.